September is Childhood Cancer Awareness Month, and in tribute to the numerous Canadian children and families battling this disease, Kids Cancer Care Foundation of Alberta and Canadian Blood Services have partnered up to jointly raise awareness about childhood cancer and the important role blood donations play in treating young cancer patients. So joining us now to talk about the importance of blood donations is Shannon from the Canadian Blood Services and Karen McGinn and her boys, Sloan, Ryder, and Cruz. Good morning to you all. We've got a big group here this morning.
Yeah.
Well, let's start with you guys. And why don't we start right with you, Sloan? You were diagnosed with cancer at the age of 2, is that right?
Yes.
Do you remember what kind of cancer you had?
It was leukemia, which is like a blood cancer.
It is a blood cancer, yeah. Tell me a little bit about the blood. You received many blood transfusions.
Yeah, I received 34 blood transfusions in that time period.
In that time period, which is unbelievable. Karen, what was this like for you as mom witnessing all of this?
Yeah, it's a parent's worst nightmare.
It really is, isn't it? Yeah.
It was the hardest time I've ever encountered, and from the moment that Sloan was diagnosed, we spent a significant amount of that year in the hospital, and I mean, it's our new normal now, but he's done so well, and he's almost 9 years cancer-free.
Wow, so, which is wonderful news. Sloan, tell us a little bit about those bracelets you've got in your hand.
So this is it's called like the beads of courage. It's all my journey through cancer.
Tell me a little bit about the red beads specifically.
So the red ones are all the blood transfusions. So I have 34 on here, but it's really long. But yeah, there's a lot of them. Like there's 4 right here. There's some over here.
And there's some all the way down there to you, Cruz.
Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible. So your brother helped you out a little bit, right? Or tell me what you did.
Well, I gave him my stem cells, which pretty much saved him, right? Well, I was young at the time, so pretty much I knew nothing what I was really doing. Like all they did, they just like put me in this room with lots of people, and then they strapped me up to this machine that were like running my blood. And the only thing I did was peed in a cup and ate ice cream, right?
There you go, which is pretty easy to do.
That's the funnest part.
At least you got some ice cream.
Yeah.
And then Cruz, you were just a baby when all this is happening, but you've lived with this story now for your whole life, haven't you? Shannon, how common are stories like this? I mean, how important is blood to these families?
Well, I think what people don't realize is that a child going through something like leukemia would need sometimes about 8 units of blood per week just to get them through their treatment.
Wow, which is so much blood, which is so critical.
Yes.
And not just, of course, for childhood cancer, but for many things. Tell us a little bit about what a blood donation can do.
So, yes, of course, kids going through cancer treatment, but then anybody going through any kind of surgery, any trauma, car accidents, anything like that. And then there's people that need it for regular treatments that are going through things like sickle cell anemia and things like that.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, so huge need. Where are you at right now? Why is it so important for people to donate right now?
Okay, so we're kind of coming off of the summer season where everybody's busy with vacations and holidays and out of their regular routine. And what we see is a natural drop kind of over the summertime. So now with people getting back to school, back to work, it's an important time to make those appointments and come in and roll up your sleeve and give blood.
Right, wow. Yeah. Is there a specific number that you're looking for or that you're really hoping to guarantee over the next little while?
So the month of September, we need to collect about 4,800 units of blood in the Calgary area. And we have about 1,100 appointments that we need to fill in our downtown clinic at Eau Claire and in different clinics around the community.
Perfect. So what's the easiest way for people to donate?
It's really simple. You can go online at blood.ca, or there's the Give Blood app that you can download and go online and make your appointment.
And you can even call.
Yes, you can call 1-888 to donate.
Wonderful. Lots of ways to get in touch.
Yes.
Thank you all so much for being here and for sharing your story with us.